Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm going to show you how you can send one's photos or videos in WhatsApp. Alright guys, here I have opened my WhatsApp application and I have opened my room chat on WhatsApp, and the first thing we have to do is clicking on this button. Then we're going to select photo or video from our gallery, so just click on gallery right here, and then you can pick either photo or video. The step is the same, and then for example I'm just going to select photo from this folder. Then I'm going to pick random photo. I'm going to pick this one. Okay, and after that we just need to click on this button. Then after that you just need to click on send to send the photo that you have selected. Okay, and when you send photo or video in view once mode, the photo or the video can be opened once only guys. After the photo or the video has been opened or viewed, the photo or video will disappear, so they won't be able to share or save the photo or video that you sent. Alright guys, and that's how we can send one's photos or videos in WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.